What's going on, y'all? This is Queen Sarita, and I'm coming to you with the rest of the Fool's Journey. That video actually cut off, so I wanted to come back on. And so here I am. We have the same layout that I had before, which was an example of some of the Fool's cards and how they look. This is from the Rider. What is this from? This is from the Radiant Rider White Tarot deck. This card here, and this is the Fool's card because we're talking about the Fool's Journey. This happens to be my tarot journal. And my tarot journal because this is a part of my traveler's journal where I actually journal the tarot and share the meanings, and I actually have the cards in here right now because we're going to go through all of the cards. I'm going to be doing a couple videos, definitely that have to do with this on a regular basis. So every day something will be coming out. Expect a video from me. So back to the Fool's card. Basically, when we're dealing with the Fool's card, we're talking about a card that begins the entire tarot deck. And what is the tarot? Well, the tarot cards, they have two parts. And the major and the minor are pretty much those parts.